Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Monday. It's MLK. Today I'm going back to Orlando to visit my cousin because I don't have school today. So it should be fun. Hopefully I'll remember to record. I haven't been remembering to record. If anything, I've been really lethargic recently. But hopefully it's going to change. My mask is right side up for once. I'm starting to read Rise of Kyoshi, which is the Avatar: The Last Airbender book. I just got introduced to Kyoshi at the end of the preface. So, nothing really much has happened in the book so far. I'm hoping it picks up. I'm excited to read it though. So, so I'm on my way to Orlando right now. Or on my way to the car, then I'll be on my way to Orlando. But yeah, yesterday was fun. Me and Shona hung out with everybody. We played a bit of poker. I got obscenely lucky. RNG was on my side, I guess. So yeah, in the car now. It's about an hour's drive. Better get used to it because spring break, driving to Skad, maybe by myself, maybe with somebody else, hopefully with somebody else. It would be really boring if it was just me, but we'll see what happens. Yeah. So it's a little bit later and we decided to go to an indoor skydiving park. Ellie, do you like the indoor skydiving park?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Are you ready, Hadi? Are you gonna fly?
I'm ready.
You're ready?
I am.
Okay. Well, we'll get some B-roll. So we just got out of the flying place. We just got out of the flying place and now we're going to Olive Garden because Huddy wants Olive Garden. Alright, so we just got back to the house and now we're gonna watch a movie. I already watched that one.
Alright. The Angry Butcher movie?
Do you want to watch that one, Ellie?
No. Ellie hates this movie. Okay, let's watch Woody The Woodpecker because Sonic is not even in.
Well, let's try Disney Plus.
He's still recording.
I know.
Why?
So I had cannoli and then okay, I guess we're watching Woody the Woodpecker. That's gonna be it for today.